were coming in on Tuesday. You canceled the flight. Incredible. Banage. I'm very fine. How are you, Banage? Something yes. Like, Utamudeweka. Atakuda Banaka Wunde. Oh my God. What do you want? You want to? Mama say you tiki. Look at her. Not making a big bizarre. Set up. Set up. Oh yeah. Come forward. Oh God, she has grown all over. All over. Never think of me. Look at her. Where are the ladies in Ogi? Where are the ladies? Incredible. Look at her. Yes.
You never told me how she met my dad.
Come again.
She never told me how she met my dad.
Omwana tomugamba. Tomugamba. Isaba kusaba ekitegeera naye bwe bamunyonyola oli batonda incredible naye bamubuulira ddala mwana wange anjooza ekintu ekyo nekiri makati bano beetiise zino kirimu. In fact, if it wasn't for me, I think what I wanted to do is that you are but I said, chilling went to went. But never mind. Let's go to the casino. But you may say exactly how this thing happened. Yes. But let us say, oh, for one. But never mind. You don't know. Incredible. Yes. This is what happened.
I'm your husband, Dick. I need some respect. Tuli wange osmara basajja bakapate. Just leave me alone, please. Vicky, respect Vicky. Vicky. Chima, guys, it's enough. All right, you're very welcome. Thank you for coming. Tuka kusema kwa basi wakatoka bulungi. Wewe kucha kwanga denyo. Yes. Mutuka bulungi. Wewe ni nyabo litawano. Have a nice time. So tulitawano chodda wange. You're not invited again. Tuka bulungi. Vicky, the moment. What was that? I'm saying, what was that?
What?
Just nonsense. What was that?
Jay, Kakana, what are you talking about?
What was that? You don't know. Chichecho.
I was hosting.
Hosting? Hosting what?
I was getting you up say your friends, my friends.
Hosting there?
They put a better on our child.
Wait. Don't go get the body. Your husband is here. What was that? Listen to me. A man is a man. Who says that guy? Not gonna stop dancing.
Enough! Jim! Since when did you become CEO of my life?
Excuse me?
What time did I go to that day? Okay, fine. So what?
So what?
Mama said, the city. Did you see me live with any one of them? Did the Jaco, did you just suffocating me? Honey, I need to bring it. Then because I'm a cool. In fact, I'm going to tire for this. I can actually do. I think you need to go for a checkup. Study a call.
No, woman! They must be anything. Woman. Who do you think you are? Woman. I said you, woman. Who do you think you are? Woman. Obisama basulu njoga bigiwe tashikwe obunyoma obusinana basajja angalina bwe ebachenye obuchiru.
You little thing, it's a break for a change. You little thing, I say, you little thing, why don't you use your brain? You little thing. To socialize.
Ladies and gentlemen,
you must tune your bass, tune your bass.
the long-term benefits of bass have been proved by scientists.
Shut that!